Kawasaki KLR 650 2022 plus Pannier Racks installation guide. Let's begin by introducing the supplied parts and hardware. We have a left side and right side Pannier Racks. We also have a cross brace. The supplied hardware, 4 M8 by 50 millimeters long Allen bolts plus washers, 4 M6 by 20 millimeters long hex head bolts plus 4 washers and 4 nylock nuts and 2 open-ended spacers. The tools I'm going to be using during the installation: ratchet extension, 10 millimeter wrench / spanner, 6 millimeter Allen socket, or you can use an Allen key, and an 8 millimeter hex socket. So you can begin by removing these 2 bolts from the grab handles only on one side first, and for me it's going to be the left side. So remove both of them. You can also remove the passenger foot peg again on one side and prep your Allen bolts. I will also be using medium strength Loctite on all these bolts. Okay, so the bolts that you have taken out of here, you're going to reuse them. Make sure that you also apply some blue Loctite. Just hand thread it in. You don't need tools here at this point. Same up here. And the M8 by 50 Allen, you already have blue Loctite on it. And it's going to go back down here. Line up those mounting holes and just hand thread the bolt in. Now grab the open-ended spacer. That's going to go in between here. But first, put the bolt in, turn it a few times, and then put the spacer in. If there's not enough space, then maybe back out the bolt a little bit and then slide it in place and keep it in place with one finger while you're turning this bolt. Now it's nice and snug, it stays in there. So now the left side pannier rack is in place, it's nice and loose. Repeat the same thing on the right hand side. Now grab the cross brace. This is the orientation. So you can see the center of the cross brace where the bend is, that points up. Put it in between the tabs. Grab the M6 hex head bolts. Make sure the washer is on. Washer. Spin on a nylock nut. So this is how it's going to have to look. Okay. You can see bolt head, washer, and nut. Okay, so this is how we look. Now the cross brace is fully installed. You can see like so. The right side, same as the left side. OEM bolts 1 and 2. Supplied bolts, open-ended spacer. And now we're ready to pull the bolts tight. So make sure that you do this gradually. Do not pull one bolt all the way till it's tight. Turn it a few times, move over to the next one, turn that a few times again, and start all over again until they're all snug. Once they're snug, you can apply the torque specs. 8 millimeter diameter bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side, 23 Newton meters. And the 6 millimeter diameter bolts, these will take 10 Newton meters. So thank you for watching. Should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via email info@outbackmotortek.com or call toll-free 877-931-3636. Very important, once the installation is done, go out for a test ride. And after a test ride, double check that all the bolts and nuts are still up to the torque specs. Thank you.